I'm always heading your way, and I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away, yeah. You'll always be my heart and my life, every second, every day.
Hey, happy holidays, everybody. Welcome back to One Seed, One World. It's been a couple weeks since I posted anything, but there hasn't been a whole lot going on around here. Just general winter maintenance, keeping up with the chickens, cleaning out the garden beds, and setting up some stuff for Christmas. So Christmas is over now. It's almost New Year's, but we still have our decorations up. We decorated up the whole backyard and the greenhouse, since we have a 4-year-old that is coming. Due to some illness and whatnot, my stepdaughter and family did not make it up here for Christmas, and so we rescheduled to do it about the middle of January. So we're going to leave all the lights up and stuff until then. But since we're having a little boy here this year, we wanted to kind of make it a little bit of a winter wonderland for him. And we don't have a whole lot of room inside the house, so we decorated up the garden and the greenhouse and got this train set up in here. And I still have to make some adjustments to the train and do a little bit more decorating around that. But I was having some problems with the tracks staying together, so it's kind of good that they weren't able to make it up here in time, because I was kind of rushing to get everything done. So we'll have it all done before he gets here, and hopefully he will enjoy all the lights and everything once he's here. So, I mean, here we are almost to 2022 New Year's. It's almost time to start planting again. I'm going to be starting some herbs at the beginning of February, probably indoors, and then be succession planting indoors probably up until May, with beginning of February being herbs, beginning of March being peppers, and then beginning of April being probably tomatoes. Maybe even mid-March for tomatoes, we'll see. And then once I'm comfortable with the temperatures out here, we'll move everything out here to the greenhouse to get it going before it goes into the ground. For you local people, I will be selling seedlings again this year, so keep an eye out for if you're looking for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, that kind of thing. We'll be doing the same thing as last year. But I hope everything's gone well with you guys for your holidays, that you're having a happy holiday season, whatever holiday you might celebrate or not celebrate, anything. Whatever it is that you do, I hope that it's going great and that you are having a nice winter. Ours has been very mild here. Actually, on Christmas Day, it was like 65 degrees. And when I got up the day after Christmas, it almost felt like an April morning. It had rained like Christmas evening, and you kind of had that wet, damp, warm smell in the air like you get in the early spring. And so we haven't quite had winter here yet. So we'll see when it's going to show up. Nothing major on the forecast for the next couple weeks, though. So that's about it for here. I just wanted to give an update and show you our Christmas lights. And then we will be posting some more planting and recipes and stuff coming here soon. Big projects coming up for this next year are bees and hopefully some flax. growing flax to make linen out of. Just bought a loom from someone that Mitzi had met through a pottery group online, I think, local person. And she had a loom that she sold us, so I went out and met her and picked up the loom, and now we got to figure out how to use it. So we'll see how that all goes, and we'll have videos on that as well. So whatever's going on in your neck of the woods and during your holiday season, I hope that it's gone great for you. And please subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button wherever it is up here on the top, and we'll see you again soon. Have a great day. Namaste.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm